Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. So if you're trying to start trading but you see that trading option is disabled, you have tried multiple ways but nothing is working out. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix this issue. So first you just have to simply open your MetaTrader 5 in your system. Once it is open, make sure you have connected your account with it. Now, what you have to do in case your trading is not working. On the top, you can see we have different options on the left side of the page. From these options, you have to choose this option, which is the tools. Click onto it and then choose this last option, which is options. And after that, from these options, you have to choose this one, which is the trade. Once you get to this page, there you can see different options. At the bottom we have this option, which is one click trading, and right now it is turned off. So if on your side this option is not selected, that means this is the issue. You just have to enable this one and your issue will be resolved. So simply click onto it, and after that it will ask you to get agree with their terms and condition. There's a whole page, you can read it, and once you're okay, just simply agree with it, and after that click on OK. Then your issue will be resolved. But let's say you have tried the same thing but it is not working out. Then in that case you have to check if your account is brand new. If your account is brand new, then obviously this could be the issue. So for that reason you have to wait for a few days. The accounts that are made less than 30 days face this issue. The second thing could be if you have not using your account for a while, like you have left it for a month or maybe two, and now you're back. So this could be also the issue. In that case, you just have to simply start using it again for like 1 to 2 hours, and after that your issue will be resolved. So that's how you can fix trading disable in MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.